Guess what?
Buenos dias. Hola. Good morning. We're back. Your two favorite senior influencers providing you with all the knowledge you need to know but didn't know you needed to know it. Today we are taking the Tren Maya backwards, or forwards, depending on from which you began. We are reverse engineering our previous Tram to Tren how-to video, which gave you the A to Z's of everything you needed to know on how to take the Tren Maya from Merida to the Cancun International Airport, and are today showing you how to take the Tren Maya from the Cancun International Airport back to Merida. Sounds simple, right? Anyways, you may recognize this. This is the first visual you get when exiting the Cancun International Airport and entering the chaos that is the arrivals transportation bay. Your mecca for shuttles, limos, public and charter buses. If you watched our last Tren Maya video, you may also recognize this fine gentleman who gave us excellent directions upon arriving in this bay on the free airport Tren Maya shuttle. Thank God he has a friend equally excellent in giving directions.
¿Dónde está la Tren Maya shuttle?
Tren Maya acaba de irse, pero aquí en el mismo andén, mire, de este lado.
Ok, gracias.
Acá en las puertas de cristal donde se abrió, a mano derecha, ahí hay otra puerta de cristal, ahí le dan la salida para salir hacia afuera. Pero el Tren Maya se acaba de ir, se acaba de mover.
Ok.
Pero en una hora. Sí.
What he said was, apparently, when arriving by air at the Cancun International Airport, and you have arrived outside into the arrivals transportation hub, you have gone too far, my friend. This visual, right before you leave the building, is the one you are looking for and will lead you to the free airport Tren Maya shuttle waiting area.
¿El autobús de Tren Maya? Sí. Gracias.
The cost for the free Tren Maya station shuttle is free. No tickets required. So don't get fooled into the many vendors who may approach you while you are standing at the free Tren Maya station shuttle waiting area, offering you their express, VIP, paid service, unless that works for you. If that is the case, they are there for you, and they have the price for you. In our case, free was good. We needed to wait close to an hour, but the shuttle schedule seemed to be aligned with the Tren Maya schedules accordingly, so we're good. Tickets for the train in hand, we were ready to go. Please reference our Tram to Tren video to learn how to buy tickets for the Tren Maya online, both locally and internationally. If you are arriving internationally, you may have trouble buying online due to regional restrictions, both with websites or your credit card. However, we were able to accomplish it utilizing cellular mobility. Just make sure you are on the Mexican government official sites. If you're not able to buy in advance, you can absolutely buy at the station as well. Buying in advance ensures availability and allows for class and seat reservations. The drive from the airport to the train station for us was about 20 to 25 minutes. However, there is a lot of construction in the area and count on Mexican traffic. Like all of the infrastructure constructed for the Tren Maya routes and stops, the Cancun Tren Maya train station is new, and this state-of-the-art transportation hub is designed to connect travelers to all of the stunning destinations of the Yucatan Peninsula. Located conveniently near the Cancun International Airport, the station offers modern facilities, ticketing options, and a seamless travel experience expected to explore the Yucatan Peninsula's treasures, including its Mayan ruins, ancient cities and towns, and of course, beautiful beaches. Also, like all of the infrastructure for the Tren Maya across the entirety of its routes, this is a work in progress. The arrival of the Tren Maya, from an idea to a discussion to a debate to an anticipated completion date to a complete pause in construction due legal action to another debate, resumed construction again, delayed again, you get it. Eventually a go-live date was announced and held to, regardless to level of completion. I say all of this just to mitigate your level of expectation, because if you go into it with that level of expectation, you will be blown away. When completed, 1,554 kilometers and 34 stations of infrastructure, brand new. That's not including the runoff of supporting commerce and vendors creating new jobs and businesses across the system and the peninsula. And that is the point. Looking at the route map, the vast majority of international travelers will only currently recognize 3 to 4 of the route stops. 3 of which are arguably cities that were built primarily for that international traffic. The goal of the Tren Maya to introduce and shuttle that massive tourist draw to areas beyond the Mayan Riviera, as well as bring economic opportunities to poor communities within the peninsula, did not come without massive debates and legal actions questioning the ability of the economic promises to outweigh the social and environmental impacts. This conversation would be another entire video on its own, and if you would like us to make a video entirely on this topic, please leave a comment below. What can be said for sure is that the impact from the Tren Maya on the future of the Yucatan Peninsula and Mexico for years to come will be massive. For a full review on the train experience itself, please check out our Mayan Train A to Z how-to guide where we show you, while experiencing for ourselves, the Mayan train from Merida to Cancun, including how to buy tickets on both the train and the Merida IE Tram systems to get to the train stations. The train experience itself, in our opinion, is now a preferred method of travel when traveling throughout the Yucatan Peninsula. Very spacious and accommodating to allow for relaxed means of travel regardless of how far. For us. This is our opinion, and we value and are interested in yours and your experience. Arriving into the Merida Tren Maya station, and if you are familiar with Merida, it will be no surprise to you the high level of finish to the station, which would be expected for the city, which is in no doubt to my mind the best kept secret in all of the Yucatan. If you've never been to Merida, welcome to Merida, Yucatan, Mexico. If you have enjoyed this video or found it informative, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. By no means do we assume ourselves to be the authority on the info provided. These have been our experiences, and hopefully by sharing them with you, it assists you in your travels and questions. If something that we have said is incorrect or you have a different opinion, or just something additional to add, please leave a comment. We welcome the added information. Also, please check out our other videos as we continue to explore Mexico and the Yucatan as we transition into our retirement years abroad. Thanks for watching. Okay, 5:45. We are at the Estación de Tren Maya. We are the first ones here, even before the staffers, the workers have arrived here. Note to self, you don't have to be at the station an hour and a half before a train. But we took the Uber straight here this morning, so we just wanted to make sure everything was right. Last time we took the IE Tram, so Uber is much easier, 20-minute ride from the house on the north side of Merida. And we're here now, so we have an hour and a half to wait at the train station. Just waiting for the OXXO to open up so that I can have a coffee.